Today in this video we will learn about how to disable Softaculous and display custom text. For that, log into WHM root and then go to plugin section. Now here, go inside Softaculous instant installs. Now go to General under Settings section. Now go to Disable Softaculous and then enter your credentials. From here, you can turn Softaculous off and also you can display custom message with the subject and message. Once you are done with these settings, click on Edit Settings in order to save it.